FFmpeg command to convert MP3 to AAC. I can issue this command to create a M4A file. But when I issue this command, FFmpeg is throwing an error saying could not write header for output file number 0, incorrect codec parameters. Also, the size of the M4A file is really almost 5.8 times larger than the original file, which is absolutely not what I wanted and why I wanted to convert to AAC.
How can I convert to AAC? This is the most basic FFmpeg commands to convert input to AAC audio using the highest quality AAC FFmpeg has. Live_AAC is the Fraunhofer AAC encoder, and it is available when you compile FFmpeg with support for it. To change the quality, you have two options. For variable bitrate, VBR, use the VBR option. For example, VBR4 is a good choice, roughly 128 kilobits per second for stereo audio. Higher means better. Values range from 1 to 5. For fixed bitrate, CBR, use the bcolumn option. For example, bcolumn 128K. 128 kilobits per second should be good enough for most situations. You can often choose something lower as well. You can also use AAC V1/V2 instead of the default AAC-LC, low complexity, profile, which is best suited for low bit rates. What if I don't have live_AC? Some versions of FFmpeg do not have live_AC, for licensing reasons. If that's the case, you can use the built-in AC encoder. This encoder does not support VBR properly, so if you need that or AAC, read on. You can compile FFmpeg yourself and add live_AC support. There are guides on the FFmpeg wiki. Compiling is easy on Linux, moderately easy on OS X, and rather hard on Windows. When you follow the compilation guides and install the appropriate libraries before, FFmpeg now gives you the option to use live_AC. There were some problems with your original approach. AAC is not AAC. AAC is the Apple lossless audio codec, whereas AAC is advanced audio coding. That's why your output is larger than the input, because in contrast to MP3, AAC is still compressed, but it needs to be lossless. That's why it needs to store more data. .AC is not an output container for AAC audio. If you use AC, that should work. I would use MP4 or M4A though.
Easy convert to AAC for 0 new Windows builds. Use AAC instead of live_AAC or live_AAC, this URL. FFmpeg can support 3 AAC-LC encoders, AAC, live_AAC, and 1 AAC, V1/2 encoder, live_AC. The licenses of live_AAC and live_AAC are not compatible with the GPL, so the GPL does not permit distribution of binaries containing code licensed under these licenses when GPL licensed code is also included.